One Punch Man is a funny anime, but sometimes there was a heartwarming scene that made me hungry at the same time.
おでん盛り合わせ。これは昇格祝いだ。
I start with boiling the daikon radish because it took the longest time compared with other ingredients. Boiling it will help to remove the funny smell. To make sure the daikon radish doesn't break, I've already cut off the edges beforehand. After 20 minutes, let them rest in cold water. I will boil this egg for 8 minutes. Now it's time for the konjac. I cut it into a triangle and boil it for 10 minutes. Next, boil all fish cake for 1 minute to remove any excess oil. I tried to make it like Saitama order, but my fish cake is too big so I can got only 2. For the soup, I make it easy by using dashi powder. Here's the recipe, but keep in mind that I love a strong flavor, so feel free to adjust it to your liking. It's time to boil everything now. I start with medium heat for about 20 minutes. Everything becomes so big now. Reduce the heat to low and cook for 40 minutes. Now is it ready? Let's serve it. If you want to see more easy recipes from anime, just click the link here.